Today, I'm walking you through the very popular Mystique floor plan here at Beachwalk by Manasota Key. The base Mystique plan starts as a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a flex room, about 1,900 square feet, all on one level, and includes a 2-car garage plus a tandem space. The kitchen is in the center of the home with a large island, lots of counter space, a walk-in pantry, and a gas cooktop, opening right into the dining area and great room. The primary suite is located at the back of the home for privacy. The ensuite bath includes dual sinks, a large walk-in shower, a private water closet, and a spacious walk-in closet with plenty of storage. Up front is the flex room that works well as an office, den, or extra living space, and the secondary bedroom and a full bath. This particular model has the tandem garage converted into a 3rd bedroom and 3rd bathroom. This particular model has been upgraded with an extended lanai and a private pool. Other popular upgrades include outdoor kitchens, impact windows, a garage extension, and much more. Pricing at Beachwalk for the basic Mystique plan starts in the upper 600s and varies based on lot premiums and options. Overall, the Mystique is a popular floor plan giving you open living areas, private bedrooms, and a lot of flexibility with upgrades. For more information on this or any of the models here at Beachwalk, call, text, or email for a list of current pricing, incentives, and availability. Talk soon.